Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first we want to adjust our brightness in the settings. So we're going to open up the settings and here we're going to scroll down a little until we see the display. So we're going to click on display now and here we have the brightness level. We want to make sure that we disable adaptive brightness because as you guys can see it boosts a little bit too much. Here we can change it just like this, so I'll keep it like that. And after that, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and open up the Play Store. Here in the Play Store we're going to search for apps and games. We're going to type on screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. We're tapping on this app right here made by Ruhex, and it has 100k plus downloads, 4.4 stars. We're gonna click on install and it's only 1.5 megabytes, so it installs pretty quickly. Let's click open, and now we need to grant the first permission to control the brightness, the next one to update the brightness whenever we rotate our screen or whenever we enable an overlay like a keyboard or something. So that's why we want to use it here. And the last one, notifications to display the brightness bar where the notifications are. So we can enable it, and let me quickly lower it. As you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. And here we have the brightness bar. We can tap on it and change it. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to brightness settings, and here we have the advanced options. Of course, we can use the AOD mode if we use the always on display. Here we can make it brighter or dimmer. And of course, we got the minimum physical brightness. We can change it so that 0 to 54% will be controlled by the app, and from 55 to 100 it will be controlled by the system. So as you guys can see, I would recommend using 100% of it so that the app is responsible for everything. And as you guys can see, it works pretty fine. We even get a warning that they may not work correctly, but they do. And now you can just disable the service if you don't want the app anymore. You can go over here and make sure that you change your brightness. After that, what are we going to do as a last resort is go over to settings and swipe down until we see system, tap on system update, and make sure you're on the latest version. So I do have an update here. You'll have a button at the bottom on the bottom right corner to download and install if you're not on the latest version. And as you guys can see, it's installing the system update for me. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.